bitch, why you mad? Fix your face. I'm going up and then you feel some kind of way. I'm going up and then you feel some kind of.
Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue and I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be a hair review. This company off Amazon called One More Hair. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. They actually sent me 3 bundles and a closure, so I'm gonna be making a wig today. So let's see how that goes. But before we get into that, today's video is sponsored by Heartbreaker Gummies. These gummies promote healthy hair, skin, and nails, and they taste so good. Look at this packaging, it's so cute. I just be wanting to eat the whole jar, to be honest. Not only do they taste good, but they're good for you. So don't cheat yourself. Treat yourself and get you some Heartbreaker Gummies. Now, I'm going to put the link in my description box below, but the best part about this is if you want to get 20% off, use my code Abi-Sue at checkout and you'll get 20% off. Now, who don't like a sale? And that reminds me, it's that time of the day to eat my gummies. Take 2 a day. They're so great. Look, they're even heart-shaped. They're heart-shaped. So, if you want healthy skin, healthy nails, this is gonna be your secret to achieving that. So don't forget to use my code at checkout. So you guys, for the month of September, I will be doing a September series. That just means I'm gonna be giving you guys videos back to back to back to back. Now usually I give you guys videos every other Friday, but I'm gonna be spoiling you guys this month because it's my birthday month. So we're gonna be lit all month. If I'm gonna be spoiled, you're gonna be spoiled, and we're gonna have so much fun. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for the September series, because this is just the first video. The rest of the month is gonna be litty titty. I promise you. Moving on, this is the packaging from the hair that the company sent me. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and then I'm gonna start making this wig. Anyway, so this company contacted me and asked me to review their hair. So that is what I'm going to do today. This is deep wave. So 3 bundles and a closure. Got 18, 20, and 22. And then 16-inch closure. Okay, this is so pretty. Got a little snag, but it's so pretty. It's a little dry, but it's so pretty. But it's pretty. This is pretty hair, but the hair looks so pretty, but it feels a little dry. Nothing crazy though. Nothing crazy. The wefts are pretty full. This is a closure. This is 16. But this is a 3-part closure. We love. And this is a 4x4. Look at the lace. As a dark skin girl, I like this lace color a lot. It comes with baby hairs. Yeah, this is nice. It's nice quality. I guess that's all I have to say for the unboxing. I'm gonna start making the wig now, and this is the first wig I'm ever making, so don't comment down below like, oh, you should have been in depth more with how to make a wig, or your next video should be how to make a wig. When I figure out how to do that, y'all will get that video. Until then, yeah.
I just called your phone and text your phone cause I ain't hear from you lately. You want keep on running, I don't chase, baby, I don't got patience. you wanna go, you gonna go, you wanna leave, or you staying? I ain't hear your voice in a minute, so you know I had call you. Wanna make plans, but them plans with you, you know they don't fall through. Baby girl, why you gon' leave? You got something that I need. When I'm not talking to you, I cannot sleep, I cannot eat. When I'm not talking to you, I feel like I cannot breathe. You got something that I need.
Baby, where should I go? What should I do? You all I know. What should I do? Yeah. I don't need to play no games. Girl, you should know that by now. Since day one, I stayed down. You childish like playground. Every time I see you on my timeline, I keep scrolling like, what's that? Don't know. And if I ever see you walking by me, I keep going like, oh no.
I just called your phone and text your phone, cause I ain't hear from you lately. You wanna keep on running, I don't chase, baby, I don't got patience. Can't give you my all, baby girl, you be playing. Said you wanna go, you gonna go, you wanna leave, or you staying?
So right now I'm in my bed. Give a fuck about a tag. I just might call me a J. Put that bitch right in the bed. I got this money on me. All of these bitches on me. So I'm just pimping for free. I got these bitches on me. So you can't say nothing about that. I spit real, bitch, I spit facts. Nigga know I keep it real. Give a fuck about how you feel. I got bitches on the team. BG me, yeah, that's the team. Give a fuck about what you mean. Girl, you know just what I mean.
And I miss those memories. Late night drinking Hennessy. Don't care if you got no man, cause you still remember me. And you need to watch your mouth. I don't feel your energy. I know you missing what we had. Yeah, that perfect chemistry. Even push you in a house, then try to give you the keys. Why we had to take a fall? Why you had to go and leave? I don't care about that man. Hand move how I move. He can't do all the things that I can't do for you. I just called your phone and text your phone, cause I ain't hear from you lately. You wanna keep on running, I don't chase, baby, I don't got patience. Can't give you my all, baby girl, you be playing. Said you wanna go, you gonna go, you wanna leave, or you staying? I just called your phone and text your phone, cause I ain't hear from you lately. You wanna keep on running, I don't chase, baby, I don't got patience.
Okay, so today makes 2 weeks since I've had this hair in, and I honestly want to say that this hair feels and looks amazing. I take back my this hair feels dry comment, because this hair is actually really soft and it's like ridiculous, and it looks gorgeous. I used all 3 bundles and I used the closure, and the hair is really full, as you can see. And even though I cut my wefts, I don't really have problems with shedding, and that is major. That's major right there. So whether or not you cut your wefts or you double them, shedding should not be a problem, because it definitely wasn't a problem for me. And do you guys not see this hair? Like, why wouldn't you want to get it? Like, I really recommend this hair, honestly. Like, if you want affordable, good quality hair that's gonna last, this, I really recommend it. Like, you could tell that it's really good quality. I'm gonna show you guys the length of the hair. So yeah, again, this is deep wave hair. This is a closure, 4x4 closure, and it was a free part, so I could like play around with it and do whatever, but I don't want to mess it up right now. But it's really cute and really convenient, and it's really priced at a good price. Like, you can't really beat that. If you guys want to get this hair, I'll put the link in the description box below. Remember, this is 3 bundles and a closure. They also have wigs on their site, so if you want a wig, you could get a wig instead. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was very informative, because that's what I aim for. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. And comment down below any questions you have that I didn't answer in this video, and I will definitely get back to you guys. Bye.